This is your astrological forecast for Monday, October the 11th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it all flowing out of our bodies, flowing away. And in its place, we see this beautiful white light filling our entire body with white light, love, and the will to good. And then this white light goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble of white light, love, and the will to good is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We'll say the affirmation together and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Great work, great work. And with the Sun in Libra, the Sun in Libra is our support energy for the theme of this entire week of Saturn going direct, which happened yesterday. Saturn has been retrograde for 5 months. During this time, we have done a lot, hopefully, a lot of introspection on what our duties and obligations are. This is a time, these past 5 months, we have learned where we need to grow up, where we need to be more mature. We have hopefully learned where we have to be more responsible for ourselves in developing our relationship with our higher self and maintaining that, of taking care of our physical, spiritual, emotional selves, physical selves, our obligations to the other, whether that is our significant other or our family. Are we honoring the other? Are we supporting the other? Are we nurturing the other? And then even take it further. What about our career, our job? Are we fulfilling our obligation to ourselves in the other, in our career and job? Some of us have found out in the last 5 months that maybe the corporate world is not for us. It gives us some status, it gives us a great paycheck, but it doesn't fulfill us. It doesn't make us happy. So we have been thinking about a career change. Not only a career that will fulfill our own purpose and happiness, but will fulfill our responsibility to the other, that will fulfill our responsibility to making sure we are contributing to society, we are contributing to the whole, because Saturn in Aquarius is all about the whole, the group. So it's all about innovation. It's all about new ideas. So maybe this career that we've come up with is way out of the box, but we are excited about it. So we have been learning, we've been thinking. We've been probably doing some jotting down. It doesn't have to be anything as magnanimous as a whole career change. Saturn rules Capricorn, and the moon is in Capricorn today. So it might have more to do with the career and our work. And how does our work reflect our responsibility to ourselves, our responsibility to the other, and our responsibility to the whole? Man, heavy duty work this past 5 months, and today we are ready to really begin, with the moon in Capricorn today. Okay, we really got to take a look at what we're working on. We want to make sure, it's really important because a lot of us are coming up with very different ideas, very different solutions and resolutions and careers, but we have to make sure that they are practical and realistic. I mean, Capricorn demands that we have to have, Capricorn's ruled by Saturn. So we have to make sure that we have a solid foundation and structure. So if we're setting up a whole new career, a whole new way of doing something, we better make sure that it can withstand long term, because that's what Capricorn and Saturn require. So we are going to continue to work on that, continue to define, continue to make our plans to implement whatever it is that we have been working on. Just a little warning for this Monday. We may get a little kickback if we want a little input, or we're sharing our idea even with our significant other. Maybe it's a job change or something. We are going to experience a little kickback on, hey man, that is way too different, and I'm not sure of the cash flow with that idea, and you may want to think about that some more. But we remember that we have the sun in Libra, that whole affirmation of being focused on that purpose, not allowing others to compromise that and pull us off our path, even if it is our significant other. So we acknowledge them, we honor them and their opinion. That doesn't mean that we have to buy it. So remember that today. And a little advice for our Monday, as we are processing Saturn going direct, this incredible energy that is working to help prepare us. Since Saturn is in Aquarius, we are developing new structures for a new way of living and a new age. So this is big stuff that we're working on this week. It is no small matter. What advice do we have? Watching clouds. Sit back and relax. Breaking trail. A breakthrough is at hand. First light, beginning a new cycle. Cool energy. Thank you, Spirit Guides. So, Spirit is saying, not a day to push our agenda. It's a day to observe and listen and to continue to work on the details. A long-term plan for us, for our strategy, for our career change. Could even be us coming up with a fundraiser for the company so that we can help contribute to the whole. Today's a day just to sit back, relax, review, think about it, be introspective about it. Probably a good day to hook up with, well, we should be doing that every day too. Hook up with higher self. to get a little balance and a little bit of clarity to go forward. And hey, we are breaking trail. We are moving into a whole new chapter of our life with whatever this is that we have been working on. It's new, it's different, but it really supports us and it really supports our purpose. And now is the time to work on that and to promote it. Not today. We're just working on it today, getting the fine details to it today. And then we begin a new cycle, a whole new cycle in our life, a whole new beginning. We have left the past behind, and we excitedly embrace the future. Even though we don't know what the hell to expect, we have our higher self to protect and to guide us, and will help not allow us to get pulled off our purpose and off our path. So have a great Monday. Take our time, keep planning, do some long-term planning for what we're cooking up, because we are going to make some progress this week. So get ready, get set, go. Have a great Monday. Don't forget to come check in tonight for your Tuesday astrological forecast, and check me out on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. All starts here. Have a great Monday. Namaste.